Welcome back to Auto Review, your trusted source for the latest car reviews and automotive insights. Today, we're diving into one of the most reliable and iconic sedans in the world, the 2025 Toyota Corolla. Known for its consistency, efficiency, and practicality, the Corolla has long been a favorite for daily commuters and families alike. But what has Toyota brought to the table for 2025? Let's find out as we explore its exterior, interior, performance, and pricing in full detail. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Toyota Corolla receives a subtle yet refined design update. Toyota has sharpened the front fascia with sleeker LED headlights and a more aggressive grille design that borrows inspiration from the Camry and Prius. The bumper now features sportier air intakes, especially on the SE and XSE trims, giving the car a more athletic and upscale look. Around the sides, the lines have been slightly redefined for a cleaner and more aerodynamic profile. You'll also notice a new range of alloy wheel designs, from 16 to 18 inches, depending on the trim. The rear remains familiar but gets refreshed taillights with a smoked-out appearance and a reworked bumper for a modern touch. Available in a palette of fresh paint options like Celestite Gray, Ruby Flare Pearl, and a brand new Midnight Black Metallic, the Corolla continues to offer strong curb appeal without being flashy. Now stepping inside, the interior of the 2025 Corolla delivers a mature and ergonomic design, focusing on comfort and convenience. Toyota has used better quality soft-touch materials on the dash and door panels, especially in the XLE and XSE trims. The centerpiece of the cabin is the new 10.5-inch floating infotainment touchscreen, standard on most trims, which supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Below the screen, the climate controls are intuitive and remain physical, which is a plus for ease of use while driving. The instrument cluster now comes with a 7-inch or optional 12.3-inch digital display, offering customizable views for driving data, navigation, and safety alerts. The seats are well cushioned, and the front seats offer heating and power adjustability in higher trims. Rear passengers get ample legroom for a compact sedan, and the overall cabin is quieter, thanks to added insulation. The trunk remains spacious, with about 13.1 cubic feet of cargo space, suitable for everyday errands or weekend getaways. When it comes to performance, Toyota keeps things familiar yet efficient. The standard engine remains the reliable 2.0-liter four-cylinder that produces 169 horsepower and 151 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a continuously variable transmission, this setup offers a smooth and fuel-efficient ride, ideal for city driving and long commutes. For those wanting more power and efficiency, the Corolla Hybrid returns in 2025 with a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine combined with an electric motor, offering a total system output of 138 horsepower. While not sporty, the hybrid shines in fuel economy, delivering over 50 miles per gallon combined, making it one of the most efficient cars in its segment. Handling is composed, and the ride quality remains comfortable thanks to the well-tuned suspension. Safety continues to be a strong suit, with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 now standard across all trims, bringing adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, automatic emergency braking, and traffic sign recognition. Now let's talk pricing. Toyota has managed to keep the Corolla affordable despite the tech and safety upgrades. The base L trim starts at around $22,000, while the LE and SE trims range from $23,000 to $25,000. If you're looking for a more premium experience, the XLE and XSE trims will set you back about $27,000 to $28,500 depending on options. The hybrid variants begin at approximately $24,000 and top out near $29,000, offering excellent value for those prioritizing fuel savings. All models come with Toyota's standard warranty and complimentary maintenance plan, which adds peace of mind to the ownership experience. So, is the 2025 Toyota Corolla worth considering? Absolutely. With its refined design, improved tech features, solid performance, and unbeatable reliability, the Corolla continues to be a standout in the compact sedan market. Whether you're a first-time buyer, a family looking for a second car, or someone who values long-term dependability, the 2025 Corolla delivers everything you need, and then some. That wraps up today's review. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next video here on Auto Review. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new Corolla and if you'd consider buying one in 2025.